How to log in to Telegram without phone number. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Pipin Besnat, and today I'll guide you on how you can log in to Telegram without phone number. Now the process is quite simple and easy, so let me guide it through. Now first things first, what you'll need to understand is unfortunately you won't be able to create a Telegram account or sign into Telegram account without phone number. Now if you don't have phone number, or if you don't want to use your personal number, what you can do is you can head into your browser, and on your browser you want to search in for virtual number for OTP and use these links. Go to these links and get virtual number and use this SMS and log into account. Now in case you do have an account and you don't want to log in again and again using the verification code on your number, what you can do is you can go ahead and set up password. Simply open up Telegram, you'll get an interface like this. Tap on the three horizontal line icon at the top left corner of your screen and then head into settings. Under settings, if you scroll down below, you'll get the option privacy and security. At the top you can see two-step verification. Simply tap on it, and once you do so, your login email, you'll have to set it. As you can see there down below, my login email. And once you set it, next time you can log in using your email and password or your phone number and password. So this way you can log in Telegram without phone number. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.